Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a part of the timeline using Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. So I upgraded to the latest version of Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020, which is free to upgrade, and there's a new feature. One new feature that I really like, that is export just a part of the timeline. Not the whole timeline, but we can add a selection on the timeline now. Okay, I will show you in Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 now. Here I am on the timeline. So there are two ways to add selection to your timelines in Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. The first way, you can go to export, go to the export menu at the toolbar menu, and you click on add selection, right, and select that. So now there's a marker, so there's a color marker or highlight or something like that, which is a selection on the timeline for you to select the part that you want to edit. Actually, you can move this selection around the timeline like this, and this is the marker. It is the vignette or purpose. Yes. So move it to where you want to export, and this is the first point, and this is the second point. So this is a selection. So the selection, you can move it around the timeline, or you can just delete it by right click on that and select delete selection if you don't want to select anymore. Okay. And so the second way to add selection to your timeline is just find an empty place on the timeline, for example this position, and right click, then click add selection. Okay, and click add selection, and you have the selection the same. So you can also move it around the timeline and shorten it. And for example, if I want to export just this part, but don't use this export button. You right click on the selection again and click export selection, for example like this, and I going to name it export selection. Okay, and this is a folder where I save my file, and the quality, highest quality, because it's just a short video. I go to advanced, and bitrate I choose custom, and then I go to 20,000. Okay, and frame rate I keep it at 24 frames per second. I click OK, and now I start my export. Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 export speed is very fast, so I can get the final result after just maybe 30 seconds or 40 seconds or something like that. So if you haven't got this program yet, try to download at the link in the description. They offer 7 day free trial for you to try the program. After that, you need to purchase a license, where I have a discount coupon code also in the description for different version of Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. Okay, and here's the result. Click OK to open folder, and let's see the export selection. Right, so this is just a part of the timeline, not the whole timeline. Alright guys, so that is how to export a part of the timeline in Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you like the tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. Also click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, and see you in my next video.